Photo Finish Priming Water. I'm gonna use like something so it doesn't get all over me. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry for a second. So we are going to take a damp beauty blender to apply this foundation today. So we're going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Water Fresh Makeup. So I've never tried this before, and I'm taking the shade 4-in-1 Shell Beige, and it's the same packaging as the normal Estee Lauder Double Wear. The bottle is exactly the same as well, same packaging, glass bottle with the gold top. So this says that it is for all skin types. It's water light, super protective, real skin finish. 12-hour wear. This fluid long wear makeup moves comfortably with your skin, instantly and continuously hydrates with a moisture complex of red fruit extracts, including watermelon, leech seed, and apple. High level SPF fights environmental damage from UV rays, which cause premature aging. Skin looks healthy, even tone, naturally flawless, light to medium coverage. Okay, so this is not a full coverage foundation. So if you're more into full coverage and you don't like light to medium, I'm assuming that you're probably not going to like this foundation. But I like full coverage and I like lightweight too as well. I mean, I would prefer full coverage just because I do have redness and stuff. I have blemishes and, you know, all that fun stuff. Ooh, it's a little messy. So I'm just going to apply this with my finger. And it is really watery. Getting it all over the place. It doesn't really have a scent. And I mean, if it does, it kind of is a little bit, but it's not overwhelming. It's just very, very light, almost non-existent. Okay, so we are going to blend this out. And this is actually a really good shade. And if you're new to my channel or don't know already, I do self-tan, so my face is always going to be whiter than the rest of my body. So that is why. Okay, so I'm blending this out, and that was just like that was like 2 little drops basically. And this is actually blending out really nice. It feels like I have nothing on my face, which I like. I love this natural looking finish. It's actually really, really nice. So we're gonna go back in again, do the same thing. Pat this all over. Sorry, I'm using my middle finger. I swear I'm not flipping you guys off. And whatever's left on my finger, I'm just gonna wipe it on the beauty blender and then blend away. Like so far after I did some blending, and I did go ahead and apply some extra foundation on the areas that I do tend to get a little red, and that's usually my chin right here and then my forehead a little bit. So it is super lightweight, it's super easy to blend, and it literally feels like I have nothing on my face. So far I am actually liking this. I like the coverage, I like the finish, everything about it so far. So that's good. So moving on to concealer. I also got the Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. It says Looks flawless, lasts 15 hours, feels lightweight, never dry, stays seamless without creasing. We shall see. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very simple concealer, not anything crazy, nothing fancy. I will also leave the shade and the products down below, including the pricing, just so you guys know. So I did get this shade 3W medium warm because I tried the cool, like when I went to go purchase this, I tried the cool like on my hand and it was just, it didn't look right. So let's go in under the eyes. Ooh. That's actually really nice. It's not thick, but it's not watery. It's like a really nice consistency. Feels really nice, actually. I really want to conceal this pimple away. Okay, then I'm going to go and take my damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend this out. Okay, so this blended out very, very nicely. Very seamless. It's looking really good so far. It sits well on the skin and on the foundation. The coverage is really nice as well. I'm actually going to go in and conceal some of my red spots where my pimples just like to peek through. So I have yet to find like a holy grail foundation because I really want something that's full coverage but it's lightweight, because usually foundations that are super full coverage are very like heavy feeling. Like I tried the Estee Lauder Double Wear, the matte one, and I don't like it at all. I feel like it's just too heavy, it's too thick, and it just does not blend well or sit well on my skin at all. Okay, so far this looks really, really good. Really good. So it looks very natural, very seamless. I really like this a lot. I hope that it wears good. Okay, so that is it for this foundation and concealer. I'm going to hop off camera and finish up the rest of my makeup and come back with my final thoughts. Guys, hi, so I'm back. All right, so I went and applied some makeup off camera. I just applied a little bit of eyeshadow, very, very light, some highlight, and then I obviously set my face with some powder, and I applied lip gloss and that whole shebang. So I will actually leave down below, besides just the Estee Lauder information, I will also leave down below what I applied on my face off camera, just in case you guys were curious. But so far, this foundation is looking really, really good. It is really nice. There is a little bit of redness peeking through right here, but I mean, it did say that it's light to medium. And I guess I could have went and applied a little bit more foundation, like over this, but that's okay. So far, I really do like it. Like I said, it is living up to what it says. It is very seamless. It's very nice. It feels very natural, and it's just really, really nice. It feels like you have nothing on your face, which I really enjoy because I think the coverage is actually pretty nice. So for it to feel so nice on the skin but look like so good, it's really, really nice. I like this. So I will leave down below in the description box how I like it after wearing it for a couple of hours, just so that you guys know. But other than that, I like it so far, and I'm going to end the video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little review, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe before you leave. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.